Hi, this is Chris with Roby Cars Inc. Got another great car for you today. This one is a 2007 Chevy Avalanche LT, four-wheel drive, fully loaded, 5.3 liter V8. Clean, clean, clean. I can't stress that enough. It's a one owner, no accidents, very, very well taken care of. Power everything. This is a flex fuel vehicle. I believe E85 prices right now are $2.95 a gallon as of today, when regular unleaded is $3.38. So a little savings in fuel there. The gentleman that owned this before took very good care of it. Power everything. Hold on just one second. All leather interior. The back seat looks like literally no one's ever sat back here. I mean, the floor mats are like brand new. Get your rear controls back here. Of course, in Avalanches, this back window comes out. These seats fold down, and there's a panel behind that folds down. So it turns the bed into it's a little bit over 8 feet in length if you go all the way to the cargo area. You got all your shift four-wheel drive, all your steering wheel controls. Dual climate, OnStar. Let's go ahead and start it up. I've personally been driving this car for the last couple days. It drives perfect. It shifts perfect. It's literally like brand new. There's absolutely no problems with it. It's like a new vehicle at a fraction of the cost. Only 112,000 miles. But like I said, one owner, very well taken care of. Every vehicle that we purchase goes to our on-site inspection. We have our own mechanic. Every vehicle gets inspected. 50 points. This one passed with flying colors, no issues at all. It's got brand new tires on it, as you can see. Running boards. Just overall, nice car. Here at Roby Cars, we pride ourselves on what we buy. Accident-free. No mechanical problems. If there is a problem, we fix it. You can assure you when you get a vehicle from us, it's the best of the best. As always, you can come see this car more at Roby Cars Inc. We're located at 4720 North High Street, quarter mile south of Morris Road, on the corner of Wetmore and High. Our inventory is updated daily at robycarsinc.com. You can reach us by telephone if you have any questions, 614-261-7000. We have all kinds of financing options. We can get just about anything done. Thanks a lot. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.